Hi beauties, welcome back. Today's video I will be talking about my hair, how I maintain my 4C hair. So if you like to see how I achieve this hairstyle, stay tuned and keep on watching. And by the way, I hope you guys are staying safe. Please stay safe, stay at home, stay safe. Talking about my natural hair, how I maintain it, how I do the conditioning treatment, all those tips, what to do to maintain your hair, to protect it against heat damage, and yeah. So without further ado, stay tuned and keep on watching. Guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm applying my conditioning treatment, and all the products that I've used in this video will be linked down in the description box below. So this is 2 hours later. The reason why I was doing some other thing in the house, so you can let it sit on your hair for an hour or 2 hours, and I've washed my hair. This is the result after I've washed the hair. The next thing I'm doing now is to take my oil applicator and mix my oil together and start applying it on my hair. clip here, using that section. I'll tuck the band in. I know it's really difficult to maintain natural hair, but if you have your spray bottle, your argan oil and jojoba oil, different type of oil that works for your hair, mix them together, use your bottle spray, use your oil and moisturize your hair, because our hair is like a plant. Our hair is like a plant that when it's dry is easily damaged, it breaks easily. But if you moisturize your hair and you do conditioning treatment, different type of treatment, you're gonna achieve a great result. And that's it. Alright, bye guys. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, encourage your girl, motivate your girl, and remember to press the notification button, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be able to see all my new video. So I will see you next time on my next video. Bye.